Namaskar plant lovers, welcome to my channel Bean Terrace. These are my chrysanthemum flowers of this season. They have already got dried, as you can see, and these are some other chrysanthemum plants, and these flowers are also have started to get dry. So in today's video I will tell you how to save your chrysanthemum for the next season. For that, keep watching this video till end, and before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified whenever I am uploading a new video. These flowers have become spent flowers. They have got dried and it is February. Now you can see there are small branches coming out from the roots. This means their flowering time has come to an end. They have started to get ready for the next season. So now we can keep these plants for next season. These plants are called mother plants. We will keep them alive and make new saplings for next season. After the flowers get dry and new branches are coming out from the roots, we should cut the old flowers. See, all the flowers have got dried. So now we have to cut the old flowers and old branches so that we can make new saplings by cutting those new branches. After you cut all the branches and give proper food, you will see there will be new growth. Don't throw away all the dried flowers. We can make amazing pesticide from that dried flowers. So please store them. I already have made a video about how to make pesticide from these flowers. I will add the link in the I button, and I'll also give you the link in the description box. Please check it out. They are very effective, so keep all the spent flowers. For food, you can both use chemical fertilizer and organic fertilizer, or you can use either one of them. Here I have used organic fertilizer. I prefer mostly mustard cake powder. You can use this powder directly in the soil, but before applying this fertilizer, or any fertilizer for that matter, you have to water the soil, and even after applying the fertilizer, give 1 mug of water in the soil. This is a must do thing for both chemical or organic fertilizer. Or you can use any liquid fertilizer. You can use mustard cake liquid fertilizer or cow dung compost liquid fertilizer. Any of liquid fertilizer will be fine, but I have used the mustard cake powder, and that will be enough for this plant to have new growth. Remove as much old branches as you can, and that's how you will get a good growth. Now give 1 cup of mustard cake powder in every plant. They gave us a lot of flowers this season, so now they need good food and energy to grow new branches. You can also give them chemical fertilizer, but I prefer organic fertilizer. And after applying fertilizer, always give water. And here I am spraying a fungicide all over the plant. Always remember to give water before and after giving any fertilizer. Spraying fungicide is optional. You can skip this part. So spray all over the plant, and soon there will be new branches. After 15 days you will see there will be a lot of new branches in your chrysanthemum plant. So you can see there are new branches. These are new branches, and I am cutting all the old branches. They have already dried, so I am cutting them and leave all those new green leaves, new green branches. They will help us to make new saplings for the next season. Cut all the old branches to let the new branches grow properly. See, as I have cut them, there are space for new branches to grow, and these old branches are already have started to get dry. They will eventually get dry, so you can cut them after you have new growth in your plant, and thus your plant will be bushy and healthy. Now it's February, and after some day summer will come, so you can keep them under full sunlight. I have kept my chrysanthemums, you can see they are in full sunlight, and this plant I kept it for flowers. It gave me a lot of flower in second time, but now I am cutting them. I am making this video after 15 days, and you can see I am cutting all the old branches and removing all the buds. See, you must not leave any buds in your plant. And look at this plant, there are so many new branches. I cut this plant, I have already shown you, and see there are so many new growth. All of them are new branches. Remove the crown on top part, as you can see I am doing. Thus the plant will be healthy and it will be bushier. Removing the crown part will produce more branches. And every month give 1 cup of mustard cake powder. You can also give 1 mug of liquid fertilizer. That will be enough. And you can keep them under full sunlight. They will be totally fine. They love sunlight, but don't let them get wet in rain. Whenever it's raining, you must keep them under a shade, or you can bring them inside. The drainage system must be good so that water doesn't get clogged in the pot. Keep them this way until May, June, and keep pinching the top part. This will keep your plant healthy, and then we will cut the branches and make new saplings from them. I will make a video of how to do that. Until then, do all the things I have already said. This is not a very hard thing to do. Just keep them alive and keep them green and healthy. Let them grow new branches and make them bushier, and thus we can get a lot of new saplings from them, and there will be a lot of new plants for our next season. Thank you for watching my video till end. If you guys like my videos, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me in Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description box. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and happy gardening.